welcome to Cambridge Centre Honda. Today we're looking at a 2017 Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has seen tremendous success throughout its entire lifespan, and it's no wonder why, considering the reliable history and affordable price tag each and every year. Honda Civic's signature sleek exterior styling is only matched by its outstanding technology found inside. The Civic is the perfect blend of classic and cutting edge, always able to keep style and performance hand in hand. Not to mention, the Civic's fantastic fuel economy. You won't be spending too much time at the pump. With its outstanding reviews and history, the Civic is sure to leave you satisfied. At Cambridge Centre Honda, we treat you like a member of our own family because buying a vehicle should be simple and enjoyable. We provide a welcoming, professional environment where you control the decision-making process. When test driving one of our vehicles, you'll receive a free $25 gas card and have the option to test drive with a salesperson or on your own, with extended overnight and home test drives available. When purchasing your vehicle, you'll receive a free VIP coupon book with up to $1,000 in service and other savings. We do not charge administrative or other hidden fees, and Ontario-wide delivery is always included. With our customers visiting from across southwestern Ontario and beyond, we are honored to serve many of the same families year after year. Thank you for checking out Cambridge Centre Honda, and we look forward to seeing you soon.